In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check word count in Notion using Notion AI. Knowing your word count is really important, whether you're drafting an essay, writing blog content, or keeping your notes within a specific limit. Notion doesn't show a live word count the way some other tools do, but with Notion AI, you can get that number quickly and accurately. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can repeat it anytime you need. First, open the Notion page that contains the text you want to measure. Once your page is open, use your mouse to highlight the exact text you want to check. You can click at the beginning of your passage, then drag to the end, or hold Shift and use the arrow keys if you prefer the keyboard. Make sure you only select the portion of text you actually care about. For example, if you don't want headings, captions, or extra notes included in the count, avoid highlighting those. The word count you get will be based only on the text you have selected. Once your text is highlighted, look for the three dots that appear in the small toolbar above your selection. This is Notion's options menu for the selected content. Click on those three dots. If you don't see them right away, try hovering your mouse just above the selected text until the mini toolbar shows up. That menu lets you access different features, including Notion AI. After clicking the three dots, you'll see several options, and one of them will be labeled Ask AI. Click on Ask AI. This tells Notion you want to run an AI action on the text you selected. If you've never used Notion AI before, you might see a short prompt or setup message the first time. Just follow any on-screen instructions and then come back to the Ask AI box. Now, inside the Ask AI prompt box, type in something simple like word count, and then press enter. You can also type a full sentence such as, "What is the word count of the selected text?" Notion AI will analyze the text you highlighted and respond with the number of words. Give it a moment and you'll see the result right in the page. That's all you need to do. Just highlight your text, open the options with the three dots, choose Ask AI, and type word count. Once you've tried it a few times, it becomes a quick and easy part of your writing workflow in Notion.